Your phone knows your face. A machine just beat the world's best chess player. And right now, an AI somewhere is writing music, diagnosing cancer, and driving a car, all at the same time. This is not the future. This is today. And if you don't understand artificial intelligence, you're already behind. So in the next few minutes, let's change that. Let's break down exactly what AI is, how it works, and why it's about to change everything about your life. Stay with me. Have you ever wondered how your phone understands your voice? How YouTube recommends the perfect video? Or how cars can drive themselves? All of this is possible because of something called artificial intelligence, or simply AI. The term sounds complex, but by the time this video ends, you'll understand it better than most people ever will. Let's start from the very beginning. What is AI? Artificial intelligence is the ability of machines or computer systems to think, learn, and make decisions, much like humans do. But here's the key difference between a regular program and an AI. A regular program just follows fixed instructions. You tell it exactly what to do step by step, and it does nothing more, nothing less. AI is different. Instead of following rigid rules, AI can analyze data, recognize patterns, learn from experience, and actually improve over time. Think about that for a second. A machine that gets smarter the more it is used. That's not science fiction. That's the technology running on your phone right now. Let's make this even more simple, everyday example. When you say, "Hey Siri," or "Okay Google," what actually happens? Your phone captures your voice. AI converts that audio into text. It then understands the meaning behind your words, not just the words themselves. Then it generates a relevant, accurate response, and it delivers it back to you in natural, human-sounding language. All of that happens in less than 2 seconds. That entire process, listening, understanding, responding, and improving, that is artificial intelligence in action. And chances are you use it multiple times every single day without even thinking about it. So how does AI actually work under the hood? It all comes down to 2 things: data and algorithms. Data is the raw material. The more data an AI system has access to, images, text, voice recordings, numbers, the better it can learn. Algorithms are the rules and mathematical processes that help the system find patterns inside that data. When you combine massive amounts of data with powerful algorithms, something remarkable happens. The machine starts to learn on its own. This process is called machine learning, and it's the engine behind most modern AI. Here's an analogy. Imagine teaching a child to recognize a dog. You don't hand them a textbook. You show them thousands of pictures, dogs of every shape, size, and breed, until their brain builds a pattern. The next time they see a dog they've never seen before, they still recognize it instantly. Machine learning works the same way. Show the system enough examples, and it learns to recognize patterns it was never explicitly programmed to find. And the most advanced version of this, called deep learning, uses artificial neural networks loosely inspired by the human brain. This is what powers facial recognition, language translation, and AI-generated content. Types of AI, because not all AI is the same. Type 1. Narrow AI. This is what exists today. Every AI system you have ever used falls into this category. Narrow AI is incredibly powerful, but only within a specific domain. A facial recognition system is brilliant at identifying faces, but it cannot write a poem or drive a car. Each narrow AI system does one thing exceptionally well. Examples: Spotify's recommendation engine, Gmail's spam filter, the AI that detects tumors in medical scans, all narrow AI. Type 2. General AI. This is the stuff of science fiction for now. General AI, or general artificial intelligence, refers to a system that can think, reason, and learn across any domain, just like a human can. It doesn't exist yet, but some of the world's leading researchers are working toward it. When people talk about AI taking over or becoming like humans, they're talking about general AI. We're not there, but the conversation is worth having. Now let's look at where AI is already making a real impact. As AI adopts more roles, it will undoubtedly reshape global industries and societies. Healthcare. AI is analyzing medical scans and detecting diseases, including early-stage cancers, with accuracy that rivals trained specialists. It's also accelerating drug discovery from decades to months. Education. AI-powered tutors personalize learning for each student. They identify gaps in understanding, adjust difficulty levels, and provide instant feedback, making quality education more accessible than ever before. Gaming. From realistic NPC characters to procedurally generated worlds, AI is creating gaming experiences that feel alive and responsive. Business. AI handles customer service, fraud detection, supply chain optimization, financial forecasting, and automated decision-making, freeing humans to focus on creative and strategic work. Transportation. Self-driving vehicles use AI to interpret their environment in real time, processing data from cameras, radar, and sensors faster than any human driver ever could. The list goes on. Agriculture, climate science, creative arts, law, engineering. AI is everywhere, and it's just getting started. Now, let's be honest, AI is not without its challenges. On one side, the benefits are extraordinary. AI makes systems faster, smarter, and more efficient. It helps doctors save lives. It makes knowledge more accessible. It solves problems that were once considered unsolvable. But on the other side, there are real concerns that deserve serious attention. Job displacement is one. As AI automates more tasks, certain roles will inevitably change, and some will disappear. Societies will need to adapt, invest in retraining, and rethink the future of work. Privacy is another. AI systems rely on vast amounts of personal data. Who owns that data? Who has access? How is it being used? These are questions that governments, companies, and individuals are still working through. And then there's bias. AI learns from historical data, and if that data contains human biases, the AI will reflect and sometimes amplify them. Building fair, equitable AI is one of the defining challenges of our time. This is exactly why responsible AI development matters. The technology itself is neutral. What determines its impact is how we choose to build it, govern it, and use it. In simple words, AI is the science of teaching machines to think, learn, and improve like humans. It's already here. It's already shaping medicine, education, business, and daily life. And as the technology matures, its presence in our world will only deepen. The people who understand AI will be the ones who shape it. The people who don't will simply be shaped by it. So, keep asking questions, keep learning, and stay curious. The future is not just human, it's intelligent.